What should not be eaten and washed down with alcohol? To prevent the party from becoming a nuisance, you should know which products are incompatible with alcohol. 1. Power engineer. Energetics contain substances that increase blood pressure and cause spasms of cerebral vessels. If mixed with alcohol, kidney function may be impaired, as well as cause convulsions and even disturbances in the work of the heart. 2. Marinades. Their combination with alcohol adversely affects the liver and kidneys. All because they are prepared using vinegar. If you still want sour, then it is better to eat pickles or cabbage. 3. Carbonated drinks. All of them contain a large amount of carbon dioxide, which irritates the gastric mucosa and accelerates the absorption of alcohol. Therefore, a person gets intoxicated many times faster. 4. Tomatoes. This combination is undesirable, due to possible digestive problems. However, if you use products made from tomatoes, then this effect is cancelled. 5. Sweets. Alcohol and sweets create a serous load on the pancreas, which hurts the stomach and causes severe cramping. 6. Fatty meat. It is better to refuse it altogether. Replace it with fish. 7. Fruit. They only enhance the process of alcohol fermentation. 8. Coffee. A mixture of alcohol and coffee creates the danger of a hypertensive crisis or spasm of the brain vessels. Thank you for your time and attention listening to me. Don't forget to hit the like button and subscribe to our channel. You can also click the bell sign to be informed about new videos. Make sure you check useful links in the video description below. Have a great day.